there's not a belt option for AC bypass. There's only two different belts, but they don't bypass the AC like most of the cars. Like you don't have the AC or either power steering, you still can put a belt on it and work on it. I figure out a different way to run the belt bypass the AC clutch, which in this car, Hyundai Sonata 2.4, it's impossible. Because the diagram, the way it runs, there's no way to make a shorter belt to make this work. So I actually just break my head, break my brain for, let's say, a couple hours, 1 hour, 2 hours on this morning, trying to figure out and see what I could do for this car, for this customer that needs his daily car. And it was impossible because the way that this belt runs, like if you try to do, because most of the people are gonna say like, no, you just get a shorter belt or whatever, but the way that it runs to the crank, your alternator won't charge, or either will slip on it and break, or either will have a contact with this pulley right here, with this idler. So it was impossible to run it from the alternator down here. And what I did, as you guys see, is that this belt actually goes around here, then it goes up in there, because, my bad, sorry. So this belt runs like this. So it comes here, then it comes like this, and it goes around the alternator. So it actually runs the other way. And then I run it this way. Anybody have any questions, you guys are free to message me, and I will make a new diagram for you guys, and I'm gonna leave it in the video for you guys. This is running perfectly, mint, better than ever. Customer said that this car never started that fast. He was having that issue. He actually burnt the starter, trying to start it, and the car will shut down because that pulley right there is stuck. And you know, he don't need AC for now. So here's the belt, then I use it, and the size for it, for the 2.4 Hyundai 2.4 Hyundai Sonata. There's multiple cars. I think Elantra has the same engine. So all the engines, the 2.4 engine that has like the power steering out here, and you know, alternator in there, water pump in the back, this is gonna work for all this type of engines and all the engines, even if it's not this same body, because the one right next to it, because this is a 09, I think they come all the way from 2006. This is a 2009, and 2009 as well, they got the newer version with the same motor, same way. So if you ever have to bypass the AC, this is gonna be the belt. That's the measurement. You can either interchange this or use another one. I actually measure it, like I say, and created my own diagram. I'm gonna actually share that with you guys, so nobody gets into this situation that has to